Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful tutorial video on my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix what experience an error trying to open the file. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the problem. First of all, go to your search option and here type Word and double click it to open, and after that click the option. And here you can see the Trust Center. Click the Trust Center option and select Trust Center settings. And now go to Protected View. And here you can see all these options are checked. So you have to do unchecked all of these and select OK. And then select OK. And we have to do another process. And now go to Files again and select More and select Option. And now go to Trust Center again, Trust Center settings, and here go to Trusted Location, and here click it and select Modify, and just check this box and click OK, and do this for all of them. Click it again and select Modify and check it and click OK, and again do this for all of them. Select the option, click Modify and select this. And after that we have to add new location, and to add it just click add new location and select browse. And now go to this PC, and now all I have to do is select all the device and drives. I have two drives. If you have 3 drives, select and choose all of them. Just click it and select OK, and click this one and select OK again. And after that do this same process, add new location and browse, and go to this PC and select the D drive and select OK, and select this one again and select OK. And if you have 2 or 3 drives, make sure to add all of them. And after this just simply click OK, and remove and close your Word file. And in this way it will easily fix your problem. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys around.